Good job.
This is from Grandma and Grandpa.
Okay, pull this one. Okay, now pull this one.
Rip, rip, rip. What is it?
Want some help?
Hey, look.
Look, ready?
What is it?
Whoa. You want
It's
the
a car.
Isn't it cool?
How
You
cool.
want the car? You want me to get it out right now?
What do you say? Okay. Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa. Good job. Daddy's getting his exercise today, opening all the boxes.
Oh, I know. Daddy's not coordinated.
And he's
enough
not
to get
fast
this
enough
out.
for Cooper. Daddy's...
Yay!
Yay! How cool. Daddy's getting it
No,
down.
I'm going to take it off the locking system they got in here. Whoa! Cooper, is this a car?
What color is the car?
Red.
Yeah. Is it a cool car?
Whoa!
Oh, that thing is complicated.
Cool. Okay, we'll take that out.
Oh, it just fell off.
Hold on. Whoa, hold on. Oh. Hold on, Google, we got...
He's like, I'm good.
Daddy didn't realize it was tethered.
What's that? Cooper, is it a remote?
Is that so you can drive it? You don't have to wait till you're older, like I said. You can drive a car now. Can you drive? Look. Is that how you drive the car? You want to open this gift?
No.
Okay.
Say
Say thank you.
thank you.
Open it.
Okay.